Because Ashanti Defense Force now will say it has come to stay. Ashanti Defense Force will say it has come to stay. We know can say there. Ye bra ba kwa muni na munim no. Oye djuma Ocean TV de wa to just say. Wa also ye bema no. Kasetia Ashanti Defense Force no. Na yen hwade. Kasetia na yen hwade ebusua. We ko video nembra na ewia ebede nkom ebusua yan kombra fast.
To raise an arm over your friend is avosa for yen hwade. We are Ghana ni raise unsa avosa for yen hwade. Ma bodam. I've heard some people talking about avosa. You better shut up. I don't want to get pissed off. Any Ghanaian be abe man onsa so be didi avosa for them. I swear God, enko ye man. Wo back come on what to come on to. I don't want to be provoked to be mentioning names. By the way, O24 said to what avosa and so what? Why? Go and check the history. Go and check history all over. Ademu who be there and say, "Hey, I'm crossing someone." Queen Elizabeth no see one. Queen Elizabeth, even though break no mind, I see her. It's being governed by why the Prime Minister says, "I want to a cake, Starmouse, whatever his name is." Your British Royal one why now go. I didn't think from Royal. The British Army is there, but Queen Elizabeth and so on a soldier for and then a staff for or the other or the bomb who buying who buying. King of Swaziland, one more soldier for and so on or Nippon who born who buying. Himfa, Switzerland, any other places, Australia, Canada, Bebia, Ahinsembia Wobiara. By the way, let me tell you guys. Tradition came before politics, so nobody's talk that nonsense. So do for Atina soldier folk na here then. Into so what? Won't you go to hell? Why? The chieftaincy institution was there before your stupid, foolish politics. How dare you people? And I'm winning one. I didn't cross the same sort of no. I've heard some kind of some talking that I am Otun for my kwama yate chale me in Isuana or Otun Fati fence a paramilitary group a dear fine and I'm winning. If we are seeing a baby, I ain't saying what biara. By the way, the bank na any demonstration there is something called what fence Ashanti fence Volunteers Security Association Avosa comes beneath its wing called Ashanti Defense Force. Yes. It has come to stay. Or he be as long as we protect it, no nothing before no crown near you are two for say our bravo now. A bravo no before your democracy came, and then we had all this army and all of that. Our chieftaincy institution have run their own army. Anamuni, they run their army. How? Please, Munya de no.
Ebusuya, me say 2025 yamma obi akwan e mane fa Asanteman enimu nya fom me maame e ya chimni what you say e na papa ya Asante ni it won say me no me 2 million no do what you say like as a unam a feel proud what you say cause maame e your chini o papa ya Asante ni unam like you feel proud won say otumfo say the yire lady Julia oye achimni what you say no opem so nso ya Ashanti ni nti na esa na ye ne Asante achim no ye namo a bro ye feel it say Ghana nyina ye dia e no na e ana nkofo bi nti ase no but untimi ni ye nyepe untimi ni Asanteman untimi ni ye nyepe sana na abo na mo aka no say sit down. Ashantis control everything in Ghana. Ashanti Kingdom is one of the biggest kingdom in Africa. In the whole West Africa. Ashanti Kingdom and the biggest kingdom in the whole of West Africa. I don't know. And ultimate debate here no correct. Ashanti Kingdom is the powerful and the strongest, the unbeatable kingdom in the whole West Africa. Kingdom be anywhere. Kingdom be Nigeria. Nigeria kingdom be anywhere. Kingdom be anywhere. Enti me say to do 25 year you win ye bo Asante ho ban ye makwase bia kwan mo no fa Asante nye fom now the wa also ye bema no also ye bema oji hu di so ye bema o also wo yi bema eda wase na wo hwa etuatu mu na also ye oba sebi oba bi ewa no fa phone si wonim na be di Asante man ya na se be kaseti Asante man na be kaseti ochi man wo sa nipa no e be che obibi ketua bi watiwa ti de meka no ye be kire obibi ketuwa bi e wa tiwa na wo free mu na wo free na koba hu asanteman a be to respect amaye maka kire wo say 2025 no we are not here to joke. We are not here to joke. 2025 no. We are not here to joke. So would you di say we are Bema Kassetia Ashanti Defense Force ni enhwade. So would you di say we are Bema, what we are Bema on Kassetia Ashanti Defense Force no. Ye bia wo bia no. Ye be fit. Ye be yi we pie. Ye yi wo pie a. On abon say ye onoko ye gen. Me can't chire obie ni wo otumfo kasa obie ni wo president kra be yedin na woni mo I am steady tie president ko forecast me o sita magana e ko ye pick se ne otumfo ne boa no a Ghana nke economy no collapse ye papa John Dramani Mahama Ghana man pick na abia no ye Ghana man pick in 2012 to 2016 o kan sem bi say abia no kwa IMF no okoye mo pam no until say obo otumfo amane otumfo e fa phone ye wan call na na frɛ mama sabe abagiska no kufa do so sa anu so kwa the same thing otumfo e na ye call say me ma no mo musika mo panche me man ne mame ne ye ma mo kejeta market ahu ne fefefe esi wo no e otumfo e na Brazil ambassadors ban in chen in 2014 me ma history ne ena omputo otumfo say then na ompe no munyema no no otumfo say that time kejeta market no one of the biggest market in Ghana into your say we see kese netin the biggest market in West Africa netin generating more revenue omutimi eden editire Asante man ena omusi okay and so otie time no video no time na omuka wa parliament no say with the help of Ashanti Hine parliament no I say with the help of Ashanti Hine it should tell you that Ashanti Hine e wonsa e wo ade na e koso ni mu what I say so Kejeta market na ho no it was all because of Otumfo Ntina and the wo Kejeta market Otumfo Ntia opem so opia o onu Ntina and the wo Kejeta market Asante man be Asante man nyina no e ye otumfo ene otumfo the first mo ba tetete no o ma hye Asante man na to wo ti Asante man na nya wo na wo ba bibi o enya bo e ho ato dada ati ase eti me say odie no wo hwe na wo pa bon ho ban na emom no mentra emfri bia wo ne nye se wo be kasa beti ayen because yeah mo bi akwan ma ne mfa opim so ani menye form this year and beyond now they also ye bear man also your ban what do you try me say oh I'm not crampo pakra na ye bet you bibi watiwa me catch now now they also ye bear man I mean so abeso fun esi oni na kwasa etia eye Asante Defense Force eye avosa one abon say yes and am hu guy be say a friend no ahinkro president na wo meba wo pinyandro wo ye ba meba wo ahinkro president I will come your day ahinkro president I will come your day one trado ma hono no wen judge me na bro 2025 na ye wo mu no maka che o say